Hey everyone, it's me Sabir again and I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can create a full professional website technical SEO audit. So as you can see on the screen, this is the audit sheet that I'm going to use to create a technical SEO audit, and this is a sheet that I mostly use for the clientele work and for my personal use as well. So if I click on the first tab, so this is just a basic information I used, and I put some information related to support and all that stuff. And this is audit recommendation, so I can also set the priority and I can highlight the time investment, the time I have to invest while fixing any error in the website. So this is basic. The website is mobile friendly, or it's connected to Google Search Console or Google Analytics, so all that. So this is about technical SEO issues. Alright, so the software I'm going to use is Screaming Frog. This is a paid tool and it also offers a free version, but it has some limitation and it will crawl unlimited URLs. Alright, so before continue the video, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the like button, and if you have any suggestion or any recommendation, let me know in the comment below. Alright, so first thing is make sure the SSL is active on the site. So this is a site that I'm going to use, and this is Screaming Frog. This is 100% complete. You have to put the URL, click on the start, and it will start crawling your website. So SSL is active, HTTPS, and we have to click on no issue. Make sure the website redirect to one preferred version. So the site, we are supposed to use it http status.io. Let's check it. Okay, so it's giving error. I don't know why. Connection timeout. Okay, so it's working fine. So this is a final URL. This is a final URL, and all that are redirecting to this one. This is a preferred version, and the little problem we can see here is this is redirecting 2 times, 301, 301. All right, so accept this, all things fine. So let me close it, and there is no issue. Make sure the URL structure is either trailing slash or non-trailing slash. So how we can check that? We can any URL. So I think it is a problem. Okay, so let me just put the trailing slash, check status. Again, it's taking time and it is giving errors. Let me refresh it and check again, because this is important and we have to check that. We have to confirm either it is working with trailing slash or non-trailing slash. So it's giving an error, so we can check manually. So this is without trailing slash and it's working without trailing slash, and if I put the trailing slash, so it's again it also working with the trailing slash, and that means the website is working with the duplicate content issue, because there is an issue to fix. And when we have both version in the site, trailing slash and non-trailing slash, and that means Google is considering 2 different URL structure, and that is creating a duplicate content issue. And then is paginated issues. So how we can check that? We will use some search operators. Again, site colon and in URL page there is only one page index, and that is paginated. So if I just page 2, no, it's fine. There is only one page that is index, and that is on this page. This is called trailing slash. All right, so that means we can set it no issue. We will deal this issue later. So tags, so we can check that in URL tag, so the website is using tag or not. Let me just open it. It is product tag, product tag, product tag, product tag. No, I don't think so. Product tag series. So it is using product tag, and I don't recommend to use product tag until you have optimized it. You have optimized the tag properly. Alright, so how we can optimize it? We have to create a content for the tags as well, so that Google won't think the tag content is 10 or not. So we have to make sure the tag has some sort of content. Okay, so we have to check it. Issue to fix HTTP pages in URL HTTPS. So if I put here minus, so there isn't any URL with the HTTP, so it's working fine. www and non-www, again I have to put here www. So the website preferred version is non-www, so it is also fine. Empty categories is 0. Product font. No, there isn't any issue with it. So it's working fine, because we have to find those categories that do not have any content, the empty categories, or not empty, not optimized categories. Can categories, so these are all categories, and these categories are not optimized. The problem is that when you are running e-commerce website, so the category pages should be optimized, because these are the main pages, and these pages will help you to bring more sales. So either you cannot supposed to index the product and you try to rank the product. If you try to optimize your categories properly and you index it and you rank it, you will get a lot more sales than try to index product and wasting your time on the product. So instead of that, make sure to work on your category pages. So if you are handling e-commerce website, so again, categories are not optimized. So issue to fix, sorting view page, capitalized pages. So cart pages. Okay, this is 404 not found. So this page should be declared at 410. So why we need to declare it 410? Because 404 error is the most problematic for the Google crawler and for the user as well. And I have also recorded a video and I have uploaded in the technical SEO series. You can also watch that, how we can handle 404 not found. All right, so and then there are parameters. All right, so parameter URL we can check here with the screaming frog. So we have to check all the URLs and we have to find those URLs which have question mark is equal to and then equal to, and then there is another sign I want, and then there is and sign. I remember that. Just like this. So these are non-indexable. Okay, so I don't think so there are any parameter URLs. So directory pages should not be indexed. WP minus content. So problem. So these pages should not be indexed. These are directory pages. As you can see, this is a waste of crawl budget, and these pages should not be indexed. Directory pages, issues, and then we have PDF pages, no PDF, and search result. Okay, so search result, no problem is that. And then we have to check report.txt. We have completed a first section, and report.txt is not blocking content that should be crawled. All right, so here is report.txt file, and it only has a sitemap and disallow WP admin and allow this page, so it is fine. No issue. Add a reference. We also have a reference of a sitemap, as you can see. So let's just close it. And then we have in XML sitemap. This is very important. Include pages that you want search engine to crawl and index on your website. So when it comes to XML sitemap optimization, so there should be those pages in the website that we want to rank and that are important and that provide some value to the users. Other than that, we do not need to add any extra URLs or any extra pages in the sitemap which didn't add any value to the user or either search engines. Alright, so all URL in the sitemap resolve 200. Okay, status sitemap does not contain functional URL that you want keep out of the index. Okay, so sitemap. So it has post pages, product sitemap, and this is thank you sitemap, what it is. So these are pages sitemap, and these are product sitemap, and this is now again this is order received thank you page, and this is included in the sitemap. So this should not be included in the sitemap. Other than that, how we can check errors within the sitemap? We have to crawl sitemap with a screaming frog, and screaming frog will help us to identify if there are any 404, 301 redirect or any error in the sitemap. So it will help us to find. Right now we have crawled a website, so that is why we won't able to crawl that. So I will do it later. So let's just close it. So the pages are not more than 50,000, and this is also fine. More than the size is not more than 50 MB size. Stick to the default naming. So it says the name should be sitemap.xml. Submit your XML sitemap to the Google Search Console. We also have to check that sitemap does not containing functional URL that you want to keep out of index. So as I earlier said, we should not include any page that we want to index in the Google or in the search. So now there are some URL issues 301 redirect. So we have to click on the response code and 3x. So here is a problem. As you can see, these all are 301 redirect. So this is issues to fix. 404 redirect internal, 404 not found, not a redirect. Okay, so 404 not found. Again, this is also 404 not found, external. So we have to click on 4x. So the site have 404 pages, 404 not found. So we have to issues to fix, 301 redirect external and 404 external. So we have to click on external. The site have some 301 redirect external. There are no 404 pages. Okay, so sitemap 301 redirect and 404 no issue, uppercase URLs. So where we can find them, there should be a URL section that is here, underscore URL and uppercase URL. So there are a lot of uppercase and underscore URL, but all these are non-indexable and canonicalized. So that means it is fine, no issue, no issue. And then there is a redirect chain. So how we can find that? Click on a redirect chain. So it will save the file in the Gmail, save and open. Overwrite it. So it's open here. This is a redirect chain, and this is also a big problem for the Google crawler or any search engine crawler, because a redirect chain is problematic. It won't let crawler to crawl the site effectively. So this is also a problem, and we have to issues to fix internal trailing and non-trailing slash. So as we checked earlier here, make sure the URL structure is either trailing slash or non-trailing slash, and the website is running with both. So we have to click on issues to fix, extract all the URLs and look for weird. So this will take a lot of time, so we will deal it later. Ensure that you return a custom 404 page. So custom 404 page. So So the website do not have custom 404, and let me just show the example of custom 404 page. This is not visible. So custom 404 page mean, other than that, there should be some URL or there should be some pages mentioned here, so that if user land on this page, so they should have option to click on these pages. So this is how custom 404 works. So issues to fix. implement a redirect that has moved avoid soft 404. So how we can find soft 404 errors? Google search console, start now, pages, so not found 404 and sort, there is only one soft 404. So it is fine, no issue. There are already redirect pages, so we have to leave that. 301 redirect checklist for 4 pages that redirect to home page. So there are not any 301 redirect or 404 redirect. So redirect chain is present, yes. So issue to fix. And infinity redirect chain, that is also same that we already have find. And broken 301 redirect, yes, we have HTTP pages that do not redirect to HTTP pages. No, this is fine. So I also have to update this sheet because a lot of things are missing yet in the sheet. And this is how you can create a website technical SEO audit. And as you can see, I in front of you, I did everything, and you can learn it and you can practice it. So if you like the video, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the hit button. And if you have any suggestion or recommendation, you can also write in the comment. And let me just show some support, so I can see that if you people are liking my content or not. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.